Good morning and welcome to VEDA day. What date is it? The 6th. So it's day 6. We're off to go get my grandma, and then are we gonna go to the dory races? Yeah? Woohoo! It's on the car. Go, there, go, watch. Nope. Well, you're not going to see that part.
This part? Well, we won't. Could you stand on this so it doesn't move around? Okay, go for that.
Trying to get...
Trying to get wackiness?
Yeah.
It's not the way it's supposed to work. Alright, let's give it a test fit.
So, I've been a horrible vlogger today. I have left my camera at home. We went back to the beach and had some Sunday fun day, and I'm home now, and I am not going to get my plan with me done. It's just not happening. I'll do it in the morning as soon as I get up and get it up, hopefully by like 9 or 10 o'clock PST. So if you're watching this first, that is why the other is late. I'm sorry about that. But it's not going to happen tonight, and I'm not going to even try to attempt it. I'm going to try to do some laundry though, and maybe declutter an area of my room. I'm in a Snapchat group, and the girls have been like decluttering slowly, like a shelf or like one little area, and it's gotten me in the mood to like tackle that. Like maybe like 2 shelves. Maybe I could get like 2 shelves done tonight. Maybe, yes, no, we'll see. But I'm gonna go take a shower and start some laundry, so not fun stuff, but that's what I'm gonna do. Well, I got my laundry done. It's in the dryer right now, so I'll fold it tomorrow, but everything else hasn't been done. So I'm just gonna edit this and upload it, and I'm sorry, not every vlog is going to be exciting. At least the beginning of the day was. The dory races were kind of cool, so yeah. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I love you, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!